Today's mission is we are going to see if we can unbox a glitched knife in CSGO. Now, people might be wondering, what do I mean with glitched knife? Well, I saw a tweet that if you open up an esports case, any esports case, esports 2014 summer, esports 2013, and the esports winter case, you get a glitched knife. These cases are not cheap by any means. These are literally listed for almost €7 each. So unboxing a knife from this is going to be quite hard. And to afford these cases, I would like to thank today's sponsor, which is Monkey. They're one of the best and easy to use trading sites for CSGO, and it's perfect for switching up your inventory to play with new skins, especially now for CS2. And by clicking the link in the description or using code Anomaly, you get a deposit bonus of up to 35%, which is insane. And if you're making your first trade, you can also put code Anomaly and you get up to $5 for free. Plus, they've got many nice extras like freebies for free skins and free balance and 24/7 support. So if you want to try them out, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again, Monkey, for sponsoring this video. I am going to persevere until I get a knife. So what do you mean by glitched knife? When you unbox a regular knife, you know, rare special item, it's yellow. And same if you unbox, for example, a huntsman knife, it's huntsman knife. You know, it has a different symbol, but it is yellow as well. Well, when you open up a knife from an esports case, then the knife is not yellow, it is in fact blue.
Please help me.
Obviously, this is gonna change when they introduce CS2, when they fully release it, so you can open cases there, and that's pretty soon probably. So I want to do this and achieve this, which I didn't know was a thing until literally yesterday. I want to complete this goal before CS2. And I've prepared my wallet with literally almost €1,000, plus I've already bought all of the cases, so it's going to be quite an adventure. Maybe I've just been gaslit and you don't actually get a glitched knife, it's just regular, and I'm just getting gaslit into opening hella cases. The thing about the esport cases as well, it doesn't matter which one you open the green, the blue, or the orange one, they are all kind of glitched as well, I guess, because when you open it, you know, there's normally a nice animation. Well, you don't have that animation with esports cases. I'm going to show you guys by opening a Dreams and Nightmares case. Okay, this is our test case. Look at the case. You can see it's a 3D object, right? And when you open it, it's a nice animation. The lock falls off, the case opens, and it, you know, you can move the case. But with these ones, let me show you. You can already tell it's just a PNG, and looking here at the edges, it is quite lower resolution. Okay, 3, 2, 1, whoop-am! The first esports 2014 summer case. Please give me a glitched knife, okay? I hope it's real, because I haven't spoiled myself. It was Quaxi, a very nice guy on Twitter, who showed in a video how he got a glitched knife, and I wanted to see for myself if it's true. He linked some videos of other people doing it, but I wasn't aware of it, so I haven't spoiled myself. I want to see if it's true. Spending money on an urban legend. Nah. It's gonna be so weird if it's true. And how has this, like, urban legend myth glitch thing, how have I missed that for so many years? Did you shave and get rid of the Jesus look? No. I posted a tweet today of my hair and beard, and I look very homeless. Hey, Cortisera, that is pretty good, our first pink. How much is it worth? We are looking at a solid €15. Okay, considering each case is €7, that is not great. Yeah, I've heard that some, I know Quaxi sent me links that some other YouTube. Oh my god! Yes! The glitched knife already! What? That was like 20 cases! Did you see? It is real, bro! It's a blue! And it's a knife! What? No way! I got the worst knife possible, man! Nay! Fucking gut knife scorch! It's literally the worst field-tested gut knife scorch stat track. But you saw it, right? It's real. You literally get a knife, but it is blue quality. What? 19 cases, and I already got the glitched blue knife. Is it actually the regular knife odds, or is it glitched as well? Hey, how much is this worth? This is gonna be nothing. Why did I get the worst knife? It's listed on Steam for 126 euro. Why did it have to be the worst possible knife? Like, this is ugly. I don't care what anyone says. This is a bad knife. This might be my worst knife ever. If you didn't know, opening a StatTrak knife is literally 10 times rarer than a regular knife. So it's like I just opened 10 knives in one. That makes this about 1 in 4,000, which is the same odds as opening up a souvenir op dragon lore. It's a 1 in 4,000 for this as well. Bro, I had to waste my life's luck on the glitched gut StatTrak field tested. Can we get a back-to-back glitched knife? 1 in 160,000 chance. Spoiler, it's not gonna happen. Damn. That was extremely lucky and unlucky at the same time. So I'm not sure if I should be happy or sad. I guess I should be happy, even though I opened the world's worst knife. We're falling down the hobby hole right now. Oh, maybe this one is factory new, guys. Very rare and float capped. Oh, okay. We're getting kind of lucky now. P2000 Cortesera. Oh, yeah. This case has 2 Cortesera skins. And this one is 4.8 euro. Ah, beautiful. I wonder why it has that glitch. I wonder why. Like, what makes the Esport case have the glitched knives and no other case? It has to be something with... Oh my... I paid 10 euro for this one. I think, honestly, it has to do with the fact that it's not like the case, it doesn't open regularly. Oi! Bullet rain! Yes, baby! That is very good. Minimal wear bullet rain. Bro, this is kind of a lucky case opening so far. This one is worth 14 euro. Now, I'm happy though, because I got the glitched knife before CS2. Because in CS2, they are definitely going to be fixing this. So, the knife is not going to be blue. I think. Bro, there is no way. Look at this. A guy has already uploaded my video. No views 59 seconds ago, bro. Are you kidding me? Oh, nay, bro. But yeah, let's go, bro. I got the glitched knife before CS2. That's all I wanted to do. Worst knife in the whole game. Yeah, the knife we ended up getting is probably one of the worst knives I've ever opened. Whee! Another bullet rain. Okay, that's decent to end it off. Field tested. This shit's probably 10 euro max, but still...
But it's rarer than a knife.
It is not. It is not, Alex.
No, it's not.
9.46 euro. Okay, the last case, maybe of the esports that I ever opened, because I hate this case. Weapon!
Yeah, fuck that case, man.
Let's see. Come on. Oh, okay. So, yeah, this is Anomaly from the future. That was probably one of the last times I'm ever gonna open the esports cases because I don't like them very much. So, unless they change it for CS2, I'm probably not gonna be opening anymore. So, I'm very happy I managed to get the blue knife on probably what's my last esports case opening and maybe even my last knife opening in CSGO before CS2 arrives. So, thank you for watching. Now, I'm going to go cry because the last knife I possibly get in CSGO might be my worst ever.